If your Windows 11 update is frozen at 100%, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you methods to fix it. First, we'll restart Windows Update's background engine properly. Click the Start menu, type Services, and open the Services app. Now, scroll down slowly until you find Windows Update. Right-click it, select Stop. In the same list, find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, also known as BITS. Right-click and choose Stop again. Once both are stopped, open File Explorer, go to this exact path. If the first method doesn't solve it, this next one will. Right-click the Start button, choose Windows Terminal, Admin, and click Yes if prompted. Now, carefully type the following commands one by one as shown, and press Enter after each. These commands completely rebuild your Windows Update infrastructure, forcing Windows to generate brand new update data from scratch, clearing any corrupted install files from older updates. Once done, close the terminal and restart your PC and update your window, and that's it. If your update finally went through, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.